Welcome to day 15 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Today we're going to add a dynamic pie chart to our map using Chart.js. A pie chart can be a powerful tool to represent the distribution of different data within different categories, such as income or race groups. It allows viewers to quickly grasp the proportions and percentages of each category, enhancing their understanding of the data. Now let's get into the code. First, I'll make sure to load the Chart.js CDN in my HTML file. Next, I'll create a chart placeholder on top of my map using a div with a unique ID and a canvas inside of it for my chart. I'll also need to add some styling to ensure it's located in an absolute position of the top right corner with a white background to stand out and a specified width. Next, let's look at the JavaScript code. We'll start with the basic feature layer code from day 3. Today I'll be using a new census data from Arlington County, Virginia demographics by tract. I've chosen the dataset because we'll be analyzing the total population age breakdown for each tract area. Next, I'll create a global chart variable for the rest of my code. I'll now create a function, createPieChart, that takes data as an input and generates a pie chart on the canvas. I'll check if a chart already exists and destroy it before creating a new one to ensure that only one chart is displayed at a time. I'll make sure to have my new chart be of type pie and give it the proper labels and data that I wish to set. When clicking on my demographics feature, we will retrieve data about that feature, in this case, age data, and set it in my createPieChart function to populate the chart. I'll open this up in the browser and test out clicking on different features. As you can see, my chart updates with each different tract. For today's challenge, I encourage you to experiment with different datasets and customize the pie chart's appearance and labels. Share your creations in the comments below. And that concludes day 15. Tomorrow we'll explore how to add dynamic scatter plots to our map using Chart.js. Thanks for watching and happy coding.